You walked past it. I know you did. You strolled right past a $200 item sitting at $39.97 because you didn't know the one secret Costco doesn't put on a sign. And by the time you read this, half these deals will already be gone because clearance at Costco doesn't get announced. It just vanishes. Here's the thing nobody tells you. That little asterisk in the top right corner of the price tag, that's Costco screaming, "Buy me now! I'm never coming back." And the price ending in 97 instead of 0.99, that's a manager marking it down to dump it. Miss those two signals, and you're paying full price next to someone who's saving $50. Let's fix that. Number 8 is hiding in the freezer aisle, and it's the one most people overlook. The seasonal frozen treats, the fruit-shaped ice creams, the ice cream sandwiches get slashed the second a new flavor rotates in. I found bags marked down nearly 40%. But the freezer isn't even where the real money is. That's coming up. Number 7, beverages. Costco overordered hard this summer, and the prebiotic sodas and energy drink multi-packs are getting quietly knocked down before the 4th of July rush. We're talking dollars off per pack, but only at certain warehouses, and here's why that matters more than you think. Stay with me. Number 6 is in the deli case. And this one hurts to miss. Fresh prepared items get marked down daily, and most shoppers never check the time. There's a specific window, and if you hit it right, you're walking out with premium food for pennies on the dollar. I'll tell you exactly when. But first, number 5, the bakery. Those twice-baked pistachio croissants and limited-run pastries, when they don't sell, they don't go back on the truck. They get marked down to 97 by late afternoon. Same product, half the price. The only difference is you knew to look. Number 4 is where it gets serious, the seasoning and sauce bundles. These variety packs were priced for gifting season, and now they're sitting there bleeding money on clearance. One of them dropped almost $20. And the reason they're clearing them out tells you something important about what's coming to shelves next month. Now, number 3. This is the one I almost didn't share, because once this video gets out, people are going to clear the shelves. It's a home and patio item, the kind Costco only stocks for a season. And right now, it's marked down so aggressively that the manager I talked to said they're practically giving it away. But you have to know which corner of the warehouse to check, and it's not where you'd expect. Number 2 is the trap. It looks like a clearance deal. The tag screams savings. But there's one detail on that price tag that tells you whether it's a real markdown or just regular pricing dressed up to look urgent, and 9 out of 10 shoppers fall for it. I'll show you the difference so you never get fooled again. And number 1, the single best clearance find in the building this June is something you'd never guess is even on sale. It's full price online. It's full price at every other store. But at Costco right now, it's buried under a tag that most people don't even glance at. And the savings on this one? It pays for your membership for the entire year. So here's what you do. Next trip, check those tags. Look for the asterisk. Look for the 0.97. And whatever you do, don't walk past the one aisle everyone ignores. Because the deal you skip today is the one your neighbor's bragging about tomorrow.